I want to show you a really cool tool that you can use in your classroom called classroomscreen.com. It's completely free and it's just a website you visit and then you can change it however you would like. I have an example set up for a science class. And so you'll see I have everything that I might need that day, including my agenda. I have a list of students who I can choose to call. I have a drawing board if I need to label something or do a math problem. I have a clock. I have a timer. I have what my students are expected to be doing right then. And right down here, I have a noise sensitivity gauge, which I think is really cool that you can set either way you want, any way you want. So I'm going to show you how I set this up. It's really quick and it is really easy. So you just have to go to classroomscreen.com and the possibilities are endless. You can set it up however you would need. So first, you would choose a background, and I'll just very quickly choose something. Then these are all widgets you can choose from down here. So if you want to have a random name selector, you could type in the names of your students. And once you've typed in all the names, you can save it so you only have to type them in once. So that is really nice. If I want to know the sound level, I can add my sound level widget and you can move it wherever you want to in the screen. Here are my work symbols if I want them working silently or if they're allowed to whisper. My timer, a clock. So you'll notice anything, if I decide I don't want it, I just click again and it all goes away or it can pop back up. Here's my text box, and this is just a simple word processor, so you can manipulate the text however you would want, if you want to change colors or where they are, which is really, really nice. And if you decide you don't need it, just click it. And the really good thing is, if you click text box again, it comes back exactly as you had it. So you don't lose the agenda that you put up for the day, but you can hide it if you need the space. And then we have a nice drawing board that you can make bigger if you need to, if you wanted to do like a math problem or you needed the students to come up and write something on the board. If you need full screen drawing, that is also an option. And then I need to get rid of all my widgets so I can see what I'm doing, which is easy. Then you have all of this space to do whatever you would need to do. And nice about this, you can make it disappear, and if you need it right back, here it is. You can also upload images. So if you want to have them come up and label the cell, you can have it right here. So truly, with Classroom Screen, the possibilities are however you would like it to look. And it's a really, really neat thing just to have projected because all your tools are in one place. One last neat thing that you can do if you wanted to do a quick assessment as the students were on their way out, you can do a quick exit poll. And as they walk by, if you have a touch screen, they would just need to touch one of the faces, or if you have like a mouse and a computer set up. So this one says, do you understand the difference between an animal plant and a plant cell? Well, yes, I do. Maybe a little bit. I'm not sure. And so as they click, you get to see the results of how you did that day or if you think you need to retouch on something. So I think it's a really, really awesome tool. If you want more in-depth instructions or a little more help, come and see us in the library.